Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here, we react to funny comedy clips from TikTok. Basically, we're just trying to have a nice time and laugh and catch some good vibes. You feel me? We don't do too much over here. We have another video to react to, and this one is compilation of dark humor. So let's see what's to this video without wasting much of our time. Let's get straight into the video, guys.
Why can't Michael Jackson play chess?
Why?
Because he's dead.
How do you know when your wife
That was just straight. Like that, there was not a single joke about that one. That was just like giving it to you straight,
is dead?
head on.
How do you know when your wife is dead? The dishes pile up, but the sex is the same.
The dishes pile up, but the sex is the same. That's crazy. That's
What's good
mad.
about 28-year-olds?
What?
There's 20 of them.
Why'd I break up from Elsa from Frozen?
Why?
She put an icicle through my chest and now I'm dead.
What's the hardest part about sleeping with a blind woman?
Oh wow. She can't see you. Maybe.
Matching her husband's voice.
Okay, I was not expecting that answer, bro. That was funny. That was funny. That was funny. That's
Why
crazy.
don't churches have Wi-Fi?
Why?
They can't compete with an invisible.
They can't compete with an invincible force that actually works. That's crazy. So what are you saying? Like the spirituality in church is not working? Okay. Okay.
What do you call a white person having a seizure?
I don't know. I can't even think of an answer.
A milkshake.
A milkshake, really? First of all, it doesn't make sense because white people aren't actually white; they're pink, and I'm not black. I'm brown. So yeah, but a milkshake, a milkshake, bro. That's crazy.
What is black and sits at the top of the stairs?
Barack Obama.
Stephen Hawking's after a house fire.
What?
That is so bad. That is so bad.
No way, bro. What the hell was that? Damn, what?
Yes, Simaki. I've never made someone spray so much.
Stephen Hawking's on the chat. Nah.
What do you throw
That's
a racist when he's drowning?
A whip? A lash? I don't know.
His wife and kids.
Yeah, okay. Nah, you see, that's taking it a little bit too far. That's taking it a bit too far. I know if they're racist, they're stupid. Obviously, you let them drown if they're racist. But throwing the kids inside, obviously, if the wife is also like stupid, throw her inside as well. But the kids, you can let the kids be, bro. You can leave the kids alone. The kids, they can still change. But the wife and the guy, they gotta drown, bro.
What's the difference between Isaac Newton and the baby I just stabbed?
I don't know.
Wait,
Isaac Newton died a virgin.
double weight.
No. Oh my God. It just clicked in my head. No, that's a bad joke. Not not a bad that's the darkest of jokes. That's ooh damn. It just clicked in my head, bro. That's mad.
Why is a pedophile's favorite holiday Halloween?
Why?
Free delivery.
What do you call a deaf gynecologist?
What?
A lip reader.
Wow. These jokes are crazy, bro.
What's black and has 27 tits? The trash bag outside the cancer clinic.
Yeah, I think probably only Americans will get that joke because I don't know what the clinic is.
What's yellow and can't swim? A school bus full of children. I thought you were going to say an Oh, no. What do you call a woman who thinks she can do anything a man can do? Wrong. What do you say to a woman with a black eye? Nothing. You already told her twice.
These jokes.
Why'd my disabled brother fall out of the tree? Where did the Matildas go after the Soccer World Cup? Back to the kitchen.
I knew that was gonna be the answer because I think I've heard it before. Right. Please do not, I hope I don't get cancelled, man. I'm just reacting to these jokes, bro. I'm not the one making the jokes. I'm just reacting to them, and if it's funny, bro, I gotta laugh, man. I have to laugh, bro. That's crazy. Nah, these jokes are crazy, bro.
What do you call a toddler with no arms or legs? A light. Oh, you sick.
Yeah, I didn't catch that last part because it was blipped. But these jokes are
Does 69
not dead,
plus
but they are
69
mad.
equal?
100.
138?
100.
It's dinner for 4.
138? Am I right?
Like, I'm so bad at maths. I was actually trying to do that.
It's 138.
It was a joke, Evie. You didn't say.
Yes! Yes! Come on now. Don't come on now. Chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. I've been flying, bro. Come on now. Don't play with me like that. Don't play with your boy like that, bro. 138, I got it, bro. I didn't even have to like think long about it. You feel me? Yeah, why am I feeling like an American right now? That's crazy. But nah, see, in high school, maths was like my most hated subject. I didn't like maths, bro. I was like bad at maths. But me just getting that one off the rip, I'm proud of myself, man. It's the African genes, bro. It's the Nigerian genes. Don't play. Don't play.
He was struggling. I was trying to help.
I can do basic math.
I heard about a tattoo place that was giving out free tattoos to women who would flash their boobs.
Is that why you have all your tattoos?
Yeah, it was their tit for tat special.
I couldn't focus, bro. If you know, you know. I was just like,
What's the difference between your wife and your job?
you can quit your job, you can't quit your wife. Why did it take so long with the answers, though?
After 5 years, your job still sucks.
Yo. Yeah, yo. So you're saying after 5 years, your wife don't do the Glock 300 or 3000? Yeah. I don't know about that one. See, if we're tying the knot, it's a forever thing. Best believe, even while we are like bones, just bare bones, and the meat is falling off, the flesh is all out, it's just bones. I still need that Glock 3000, my G. Every day.
Why isn't there a pregnant Barbie doll?
Because he came in a pack or something.
I'm sorry, Lee, because Ken came in a different box.
Came in a different box. I had that one before. Still funny though. Still funny. What did one pussy lips say to the other? I don't know. I have no idea.
What I want.
We used to be so
You ever
tight.
heard of the show Naked and Afraid? Yeah. Yeah, this show reminds me of a lot of playing hide and seek with my uncle.
do if there was a child right in front of you, sitting all alone, crying in pain from hunger, near death from sickness?
I say let it die. Let it die, let it die. Let it shrivel up and... Come on, who's with me, huh?
Yeah, nah, that's crazy still. That's crazy. What the hell? UNICEF, you guys gotta do better though.
What do you call a nun in a wheelchair?
I don't know.
Virgin Mobile.
Try not to laugh, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Why is there air conditioning in hospitals to keep the vegetables cool and fresh?
Oh my god.
I thought opening a door for a lady was good manners, but she just screamed and flew out of the plane.
What?
There's a white boy, a Mexican boy, and a black boy who are all in the 5th grade. Who has the biggest dick? The black boy, because he's 18.
Nah. Nah.
What's the difference between a gay guy and a fridge? What's the difference? The fridge doesn't fart when you put the meat in it.
What is the difference between my girlfriend and a dishwasher? When it's I'm alone in the dishwasher, doesn't follow me around for 9 months.
Yeah!
You know why I didn't laugh?
Yeah, you did.
No, I'm just kidding, I laughed.
Bro, the gay guy in the fridge one is funny, bro. That one
What
took
do
me
you
out.
call an autistic kid with a gun?
I don't know.
Special Forces.
No. Hold on, bro. That's crazy. Nah, Special Force is crazy, bro. How do people come up with something like that? I'm wondering, like, how do you, so basically you just sit down, right, and you just think about like some of the most craziest jokes ever. How do people come up with stuff like this, bro? Special Forces. Now that's wicked. That's wicked.
What
bro.
do girls and noodles have in common?
Okay. They are very, I don't know. Now I'm curious.
They both wriggle when you eat them.
Okay.
What do you call a Chinese baby that was born too early?
New Wong? I don't know. What do you call it? Hurry up, man.
Suddenly.
I'm not laughing because it's like extremely funny, but it's just witty. Like I appreciate witty jokes as well. You feel me? Suddenly, yeah, now that's funny. I was not expecting that. I was expecting something like Wong, because every time you hear like a Chinese joke, that jokes is always like with Wong, something like with Wong and whatever. But suddenly, that's creative, bruh. That's creative.
Boom, 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 boom. What the fuck?
Okay.
What's the best thing about having two dads?
What?
You don't have to celebrate Mother's Day. What's the worst thing about having two dads?
What?
You can hear them celebrating Father's Day.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that translates exactly how it was supposed to translate in my head, but I'm just gonna keep my thoughts to myself. Yeah, for now.
does a piece of gum and a gun have in common?
Piece of gum.
Well, when you pull one out in class, suddenly everyone thinks they're your fucking best mate.
Yeah, I don't think if I was in the class and someone pulls out a gum, that I would be like, like, nah, I wouldn't. But if you pull out a gum, yeah, now we're like best mate. It's different. But the gum, I'm not sure about that one, bro.
So what's the difference between your girlfriend and your job?
Yeah.
Well, after 5 years, your job's still gonna fucking suck.
Yeah, the delivery was bad.
Guess what? You're a bitch.
Really? Really? So that's how we're gonna end the video? I'm a bitch. Really? It's alright. No offense taken. I'm Gucci, bro. But hey, thanks for checking out the video. This was the last one. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video for sure. And if you want to be part of the family, part of the gang, like I've been saying, we're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We're currently at almost 500. Subscribe, guys, and let's keep the channel growing. We are officially a 1 year old today, I think. Or this week, we're officially a 1 year old. So yeah, I'm happy with the channel so far. And thank you guys for liking, for checking out the videos, subscribing, and everything else that you guys do. I appreciate it so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video, man. We out.